So as you can see by the lead-in video, I'm up to sandblasting. So got my grit, got my sandblaster gun, my bucket, and a sandblasting booth I made, oh geez, years ago. It's been on loan for a bit. It's just out of a couple of desk frame things, a box that I got from work, and a piece of Perspex, which is absolutely, you can't see through it now. So I need to fix that so I can see what I'm doing down in here. Just going to start with some small stuff. Got my little sheet of glass, so I'm going to pop that on here. I reckon I can just cut it out and tape it up, I suppose, so I can just see what I'm doing. Don't know how long it will last, probably longer than Perspex will, and Perspex ain't cheap up here, so I'm not going to do that just yet, so a piece of glass will do. These are the bits I'm going to work on. I've got 3, that was the original bit, absolutely munted, and don't know who did that, all that bog work. Yes, might have just been to hide some stuff maybe while I drove it around. So I've got a few good little bits here. They don't look too bad until you flip them over. And they have got some bit of rust in them. It's all surface rust though. We'll see how it looks once the sandblaster's had a little bite at it. There's some more bits there, but yeah, they never sealed them on the inside. They are rust. There's so many layers. So you've got this layer. So that's 1, and that layer 2, and then that layer 3, and then the little gutter thing 4, and it just corroded inside. If they leaked at the top, they went down through the bottom. So, but it's got some good bits on it. But my goodness, it is full of it. So, lots of unpicking and picking the best bits, so then I can replace all this stuff. So I reckon if I sandblast this, it's probably going to need replacing. So, but this bit down here, if that doesn't have any holes in it, should probably be the candidate for replacement. So I'll get stuck into this. So we can do a little bit of sandblasting. Okay, pieces cut out. Alright, now to put in the glass, and I think I might just use tape around the outside. Okay, so that's done. Glass isn't great. It's probably pretty dodgy. I probably need to find some glass cleaner, but at least you can see down in there. See how long that lasts. But yeah, bit of electrical tape. Dodgy as fuck. When I designed it with this hole in the side of it, so I could run the vacuum cleaner. A little bit of a industrial vax type vacuum cleaner. Just draws the dust away. Makes it a little bit easier to see. Okay, the glass that I put in is still see-through, but starting to get a nice little frosting on it, and I needed to add a light because it was getting a little bit dark in here. So a few modifications. I had the hose in the top of the bucket and it was struggling to suck it up, so I put a connection on the bottom so all the gravity fed, and it seems to be going through a bit better, except for the kink here. So to put that on, that was popping off. Seems to be doing pretty good. So yeah, not a bad little unit. Does me for now. Okay, did the sandblasting on this one. Had paint on it and everything. It's still a little bit here and there. I have to take that bit off because it seems to be pitted behind it, and it has a lot more Swiss cheese than I thought it would have, so, but it's a lot better than that one. And I do have this here as another part if I need it. So the back was, in comparison, like that. So yeah, not bad for a $25 sandblasting gun. Had to crank the pressure on the compressor just to get it to go a little bit faster, but I am noticing a little bit of water coming through. I've got a water trap on it, and I've just emptied it. Didn't have that much water on it, but maybe it's just moisture in the air. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Well, that's me done for today, and it's only just one piece of the puzzle. It's going to take a while, but yeah, it's going to be worth it when it's done. It's going to be cool. Won't have to worry about it when it's all done. Alright, me signing off. Cheers.